Are you worried because your hair keeps falling out? Hair loss is not just a matter of appearance, but is also deeply connected to your health. Today, I will introduce a simple and effective self-acupuncture method to help alleviate hair loss. Hello, this is Sky from Sky Acupuncture. Our bodies have an incredible ability to heal themselves, but when that balance is disrupted, various symptoms can appear. Today, I will explain the causes of hair loss from the perspective of traditional Korean medicine and introduce a self-treatment method to help alleviate it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Your small support means a lot to us. Hair loss refers to the phenomenon of losing hair, which can affect both men and women. The main causes of hair loss are generally attributed to genetic factors, stress, hormonal changes, and nutritional deficiencies. In particular, stress disrupts blood circulation in the scalp, preventing sufficient nutrients from reaching the hair roots. Hair loss is closely related not only to scalp health, but also to overall body condition. But don't worry, these symptoms can be alleviated with simple self-treatment. Now, I will introduce a self-treatment method using Self-Acupuncture with a ballpoint pen. The treatment method will be explained at the end of this video, so please watch until the end. In traditional Korean medicine, hair loss is seen as a state where the balance of the 5 elements and 6 ki is disrupted. According to the 5 elements theory, the lungs govern the skin and hair. If lung energy is weak or stagnant, it can lead to insufficient nutrient supply to the scalp and hair roots. Hair loss is closely linked to this weakening of lung energy. From the perspective of 6 ki, dryness and heat are believed to damage the scalp and hinder hair growth. Dryness is associated with a deficiency in lung energy, while heat can result from stress and excessive tension. Modern lifestyles often weaken lung energy. For example, excessive stress and irregular eating habits impair lung function and negatively affect scalp health. Therefore, strengthening lung energy and improving blood circulation are crucial. This approach not only restores scalp health, but also helps recover overall body balance. The lung meridian directly influences skin and hair health. In the 5 elements theory, the lungs correspond to metal, which governs the condition of the skin and hair. Stimulating the lung meridian during hair loss improves blood circulation in the scalp and enhances nutrient supply to the hair roots. Additionally, it helps relieve stress, making it effective for alleviating hair loss symptoms. When treating yourself, focus on treating the side opposite, where you feel discomfort or pain. If you're unsure which side to treat, you can safely treat both sides. Practice consistently for 1 to 2 weeks. You'll see real results. If discomfort arises or persists after treatment, simply reverse the method for recovery. There's no need to worry in advance. While I'll introduce 4 key acupoints for treatment, addressing just 2 primary points can still yield effective results if necessary. If today's video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Your support means so much to us. I'll see you again in our next video with more valuable tips for your health and well-being. Stay healthy. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the nail. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment.